In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the password protection from your Shopify store, making it accessible to visitors without needing to see a password page. This is a crucial step if you're ready to open your doors wide for business and let your customers explore freely. Let's dive in and simplify the process. To start, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your control center, the place where you manage all aspects of your store. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side menu. This menu is your gateway to all sorts of settings and features, so finding your way around here is essential. Click on Online Store, and from the expanded list, choose Preferences. This is where a lot of your essential store settings live, including what we're looking for today. As you scroll down the Preferences page, you'll arrive at the section labeled Password Protection, sometimes also referred to as Store Access or similar names. This is where you determine who can and can't see your store. Currently, since your store has restricted access, there should be a checkbox indicating that access is limited to those with the password. The label might also read Enable Password Protection, depending on what Shopify might label it as. To open your store to the public, simply uncheck this box. By doing so, you're telling Shopify to lift the gate and let everyone in. This step is very straightforward, but it's pivotal. When you uncheck that box, you're essentially taking down the velvet rope that kept your store private. Following this, it's important to click Save. The Save button usually sits at the top right or bottom right of the page. Clicking Save confirms that you've made a conscious decision to make your store public. It ensures all your configurations are correctly set, so don't forget this crucial step. And just like that, your Shopify store will now be open for everyone to explore. That password page is history, and visitors can freely browse your products and collections. This opens many new possibilities for you to engage with potential customers and grow your business. If you ever need to make your store private again, or if you need to restrict access for any reason, you can simply revisit this process, check the box, and save your settings. This concludes our walkthrough. By following these simple steps, you'll make your store accessible to the world, ready for visitors, customers, and prospects to explore. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.